going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. As you guys can see, we got this room that's all backed up. So we're going to be snaking it out. Looks like it's maybe coming up from there. So let's see what we find. All right, you guys can see some wipes in there already. Alright, here goes. So we're right at the blockage now. You can see all the water coming here. Snake it again just to be safe. Like, it is going down and that is a lot of volume, but there's also a lot of debris in the water. Apparently there's actually a drain there as well. Well, this was a crazy flood. There was so much water, even the mouse drowned. This was all flooded. You can see all the sewage on the floor. So now we need to tell them they need to clean this up but not put everything down the drain. Thanks for watching. Till next time, Taragna. Alright guys, so all the water's down, it's just got to dry out now. We got to tell them to not let this debris go down the drain, because these are people that will do that. They'll just push it all down the drain. So we need to make sure we tell them 100% do not put this down the drain. They need to clean it up. We are not cleaners. This is not what we do. We clean the mess we make, not other people's messes. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, Taragna.